ఉత్తమ తెలుగు చిత్రంగా భగవంత్ కేసరి నిలిచింది. 71వ జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డుని ప్రకటిస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Is a shared award. First one, the Telugu film Baby. The film sensitively portrays a love triangle where a young woman's aspirations and personal growth lead her into emotional crossroads, balancing loyalty, desire, and moral ambiguity with nuance and empathy. It goes to Sai Rajesh Neelam. The shared second screenplay writer original goes to the Tamil film Parking for crafting a taut, layered screenplay that escalates a trivial domestic issue into a tense psychological drama, exposing the fragility of urban civility. It goes to Ram Kumar Balakrishnan. The best dialogue writer goes to the Hindi film Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai for its searing courtroom monologues and emotionally charged exchanges that sharpen the film's moral urgency and religious catharsis. It goes to Deepak Kingrani. The best cinematography goes to the Hindi film The Kerala Story for masterfully capturing each frame to enhance the emotional gravity and realism of the narrative. The cinematographer is Prasantanu Mohapatra. The best female playback singer goes to the Hindi song Chaliya, which is from the film Jawan. For the singer's excellence in capturing romantic elegance and soulful depth, which enhances the character's narrative arc. The singer Shilpa Rao. The best male playback singer goes to the Telugu song Premisthuna from the film Baby. To the singer for his heart-wrenching rendition of Premisthuna with emotional depth, classical finesse, and melodic intensity. The singer is PVNS Rohit. Now comes the most difficult award that we were really torn and we had to share it into three. It's the best child artist. You'll be amazed at the kind of children's films that we got and the kind of children were performing in the films this year. There were several. So the best child artist, the first one, the girl from the film Gandhi Tatha Chetu, Telugu, for the commitment of the little actress towards delivering an emotionally mature and authentic performance with empathy and anchoring the story's moral core with innocence and sincerity. Her name is Sukriti Veni Bandradevi. The best child artist from the Marathi film Gypsy for his honest and endearing portrayal of Jyotya, a role performed with rare emotional depth, quiet strength, and an innocent gaze that speaks volumes beyond words. That goes to the boy Kabir Khandare. The third best child artist is again, we have given it to an ensemble cast from the same film because the ensemble is what actually holds the film together. That's from the Marathi film Naal 2. Jimmy, the little girl, this is to honor a little four-year-old girl whose spontaneous innocence and expressive presence elevates the story's emotional core, which is just joyous. Mani, the boy, this is to applaud a differently abled child for his portrayal of money, conveying emotional beyond words, anchoring the film in quiet strength. Chetu, the boy, for his perky and enthusiastic performance, beautifully portraying a little boy's struggle to convince his little sister to tie a rakhi, no matter the odds. So these three child artists are Trisha Thosar, Srinivas Pogare, and Bhargav Jagdap. Best actress in a supporting role is also a shared award. The first one is for the Malayalam film Ululuku, to the actress for her portrayal with subtle resilience, conveying grief, regret, and inner strength with minimal gestures, anchoring the story's haunting emotional core and elevating its narrative impact. It goes to the actress Urvashi Ji. The best actress in a supporting role, the second shared award, goes to the Gujarati film Vash, which means hypnosis, for delivering a spine-chilling performance. unleashing a terrifying transformation with a body language that is tense, twisted, and unpredictable, adding to the creeping dread. The actress is Janaki Bodawala. Apologies, Janaki Bodiwala. Best actor in a supporting role is again shared. The first one is to Pukkalam, the Malayalam film, for portraying a nonagerian grappling with buried truths and rendering a performance of rare poignancy, imbued with quiet power, subtle humor, and profound vulnerability. The supporting actor is Sri Vijay Raghavan. The second shared award in supporting role is for the Tamil film Parking, for a nuanced portrayal of an aging neighbor who is caught in a clash of ego and urban frustration. It brought an emotional gravitas and moral ambiguity that anchored the film's psychological intensity. That actor is Muthupettai Somu Bhaskar.